I know you love natural color, and this is my natural color. It took me maybe 2 years to grow it out. It was a difficult process. So for me to come to a decision to color again is huge. I did not want the lines. But I do work in a very youthful atmosphere, and I feel that this is maybe a little aging, just a little old-fashioned. So that's why I decided to come to you, see if we can do something to maybe brighten it up a little bit, or make it feel a little more youthful, maybe.
As I mentioned earlier, any attempt to introduce anything on the dark one, either a color or a highlight, will look too yellow next to the silver.
Okay.
Now, because your silver as well, it's concentrated at the front, it's not distributed evenly everywhere, which means when I finish the job and you look at your hair, you're gonna tell me, wow, the silver at the front looks like really stands out more, it's more clean, and everything at the back is look quite yellow or orange.
Okay.
So that's where we eliminated all the options that has to do with highlight and has to do with coloring, because this is not yet counting the maintenance and the touch-up of roots.
Right.
I did one test and you like it.
Yes.
I still need to be careful with what I'm gonna do, because in case you felt like, you know what, I'm just gonna go back to grow it, I need to be sure within a year or less than a year you can get your hair back.
Exactly.
So what I'm gonna do, because your hair has now a combination of gray and natural everywhere through the length.
Right.
So when I introduce my color, I will focus on the length.
Okay.
I'm not gonna do it on the roots on the top.
Okay, sounds good to me.
So when I finish, you're gonna tell me, okay, my hair here, exactly at this diamond, is gonna be exactly the same.
Okay.
Worst case is if you told me, you know what, I want it everywhere, I can dump it everywhere.
Exactly.
Let's not
we can't
just
go back
and just dump it everywhere and then regret it later.
Okay, sounds good.
So I will focus at the front and at the ends. Even the front, not do it from the roots.
Okay.
We're gonna paint the color over here without reaching the very front.
Okay.
We'll leave it for 10 minutes, then another 5 minutes only here.
Beautiful.
So the point from this is to keep the front slightly lighter, so it washes out as well faster, so it connects better with your roots after 2 weeks.
Beautiful.
Because I always think what's gonna happen in 2 weeks.
Exactly.
Most of the people, they think how we're gonna walk out of the salon, how's the color look like. I always think what's gonna come in 2 weeks and how this is gonna work with it.
Okay, that's how I think
As
too.
well, that's gonna help me because you don't live here, you're traveling here.
Right.
I will give you the combination of color. So if you wanna do it yourself, you
Beautiful.
don't need to worry about roots. You
Beautiful.
grab it in the shower, you do this by yourself.
Okay.
5-10 minutes and you jump in the shower. Before the shower, you just apply the color quickly here in a messy way.
Perfect.
Then you jump in the shower.
Okay.
Then you wouldn't need to worry about having anything touching the roots. Yeah,
Sounds
so
good.
your maintenance at home is easy, so you don't need to go to a salon and try to duplicate my work and end up
Okay.
with more mess, and then you hate me for that. So I'm gonna introduce the color in a way that you're gonna feel really it's easy to maintain, and you're gonna feel it's easy to get out of it whenever you wanna get out of it.
Perfect. Perfect.
Does that make sense?
It makes perfect sense.
The reason I'm explaining this for you, so you understand why certain parts will not be colored, certain parts will still look silvery, while the other parts will take that hint of...
That makes perfect, because like I said, if I wanted it all over color, I would have just dumped a box in my hair. So
Thank you for
Thank
trusting
you.
me on this. Your hair before the treatment was quite frizzy and puffy.
right.
Maybe I would add a picture if you have, just to show the people how your hair used to be.
I think I
But
do.
That's it. Okay?
Perfect.
Sounds
Thank you.
good? All right, let's get you started.
Thank
Yeah,
you. Thank you.
Okay.
Love it. It looks beautiful.
The hair texture, I mean, hair texture is a whole different story.
I love it.
Maybe better if you stand up. We can
Okay.
capture the color. People who are in love with gray, they're gonna come after me and you.
You know, it was just, I love the gray. It was just too much of a contrast. You toned it down, which is what I wanted.
Oh.
It's perfect.
People are like, I love her. Why did you do this? They both look great. It's just a different personality. Okay. قرب على شوي. Sometimes with this color, you have to get closer to see the details. Slightly down. Beautiful.
My gosh, the more I look at it, the more I like it. Beautiful.
Because you've been wearing it white for how long?
4 years, 5?
4 years.
Yeah, yeah.
So I can. This is how it was actually. Like you see this spot, I can see it's more white than anything
Yes,
else.
yes.
So I think your hair was more or less like this. Now it's.
It just,
You can see this reflection to it.
it felt like it was abandoned, you know? It needed something. It was abandoned. Thank you.
Lilac.
Yes.
Thank you for coming over.
I appreciate you
I know it's a
taking me on. Thank you.
It's a long trip for you, but
It is, but I did it for you.
thank you.
Anytime.
Anytime.
Anytime. Thank you.
Thank you.